Hi, my name is Justus. I'm a product expert from Reonic, and today I'm going to show you how to take great drone photos to create 3D models in Reonic. So here I've got the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Other models also work. The 5 is great, but also the Flip works nicely. And so first things first, we of course start the drone. And then we fly to the specific altitude we need. So when choosing the perspective, I like to keep the building nice and centered, so around about a 45-degree angle. And of course, be careful not to hit any buildings or trees around you so you can fly a nice circle. And then I'm also trying to fly high enough so I don't have too much background, because that will throw off the calculation of the model and your model will take longer to load. When we start the drone, we really want to have the model or the object nice and central, so not too much background information, around about a 45-degree angle. And then we use the hyperlapse on this DJI drone to take the specific photos. You can also fly manually if needed, but the hyperlapse just does it automatically. So here we use it, and then we choose the object, and then we set the interval. So because we don't need lots and lots of photos, around about 60 to 70 is enough. And then we also up the flight speed, because otherwise the drone will fly for quite a few minutes, and this is already enough. And then when we start, the drone will fly around the building automatically in a circle, and every few seconds take a photo, and thus we get a nice 360-degree view. After we've completed the flight, we now want to upload the pictures in Reonic. You can either do that by just connecting the cable of the drone or using the SD card. Important, if you've used the hyperlapse creates a short video, but what we really need is the photos, and they are stored in a separate folder. So when uploading, just go to that folder. Now in the tool, we create a new job in the Photogrammetry area. We name that job, usually just use the client's name so you can find it easily. And then we upload all the pictures. And once they're all in here, we have a look at the flight path. Ideally, we have a nice circle like this to see we got all perspectives. If needed, you can of course go back, delete photos, add more photos. So you really have a nice 360-degree view of the building itself. And then you just upload the pictures, and then once everything is uploaded, we can start creating the job. And you'll also have seen just above you see we can also create a quick preview, so that we get, after just a few minutes, preview of the model in, of course, a bit worse quality, but then after a while, around about 15 to 45 minutes, depending on the number of pictures, you get this preview of a model itself, and that can then be imported into the planning to do or to lay down the modules and create a beautiful planning for your client.